again, and he spread out his hands. Brace yourselves and come.
Hi there, we're John and Twana, and this is Bluford, our bus, and we live in Middle Tennessee. We are not full-timers, but come on in and see our bus.
I like the tile.
Thank you. It's plastic. So this is Bluford. We have a shelf up here that we actually use for our projector. This moves and our projector hangs up and we can shine over here. The kids' seat where they buckle, and this section actually comes out so their feet can go there. We have a lagoon mount table. Everyone has a drawer. Then we have a queen size bed and a narrow twin up top. For whichever kid is with us. We have a grandson and a 16-year-old. This is going to come out eventually, but there's little drawers under there for now. IKEA. We just changed things around. We went from the chest freezer refrigerator to an actual apartment size fridge, and that's working much better for our family. Our little kitchen was a bedroom cabinet that I renovated, and it works great for us. We have a USB sink. We don't have any holding tanks, so we just have 3 6-gallon jugs underneath. And then I guess the last thing to show you would be our bathroom, because everybody wants to know where our bathroom's at, and it's right up here. Sorry. We pull a curtain and it closes off up here, and then this is our bathroom. Yay! Lots of privacy.
Yeah, really. Well, that's one thing on people with short buses. It's like, how do I fit a bathroom in?
Exactly. Yep. And we have the ability to shower in here as well. We have hooks that I can hook a shower curtain to, and we put a doggy bathtub down here.
I've seen a few people that have done the doggy bathtubs.
Yes. And then the USB faucet. And we haven't used it yet, but we have it just in case. We tend to shower at Planet Fitness.
The other thing I noticed is I liked the clips to keep these closed when you're driving.
Yes.
Yeah.
Those were just makeshift though. We got to come up with a better plan because the clips are breaking. So, but otherwise my drawers keep opening. So.
Yep. Well, that's what everybody's tries to figure out, is how to keep the drawers and doors closed. And every once in a while, I have 2 that I haven't figured out how to do it.
Yes.
So I can put my laundry basket between it and the drawers and the toolboxes on the other side.
Right.
It works.
Right.
It's just one big step if I have to stop and run to the bathroom in the back of the bus.
Yes,
so.
yes. We have, I don't know if you can see it, but we have a rooftop air conditioner. We can only use if we're plugged in. Obviously, we don't have solar, so we wouldn't be able to use that if we were on solar anyway. We don't have a max air fan. We wanted to keep our hatch, so we put a box fan in that.
Sure. No, very nice.
To show you.
Now, do you are on social media at all? If you want to get a hold of you,
on Instagram, we are Bluford the Bus. So it's BLUFORD, the bus.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.